Well, a big renovation and expansion project is now underway at Jefferson High School in Cedar Rapids. As KWWL's David Warrington reports, it's aimed at helping prepare students for future careers.
When you graduate from the Cedar Rapids Community School District, you graduate with more than a diploma.
Cedar Rapids Community School District Superintendent Dr. Tawana Grover is excited about today's groundbreaking. The new freshman academy will aim at getting first-year high schoolers off to a fast start, while the career and technical education program will give students hands-on experience in various fields.
So we know that when we expose students to our career opportunities, they have an opportunity to kind of figure out things that they like or things that maybe they don't.
Jefferson High School overlooks the heart of downtown Cedar Rapids, and as speakers explained today, they hope that these new facilities will have students ready to contribute here in the city.
But I think what excites us most is being a part of the growth of what we're seeing here in the city and being a part of being able to attract industry, knowing that we have a solid workforce that we're graduating from our high schools.
Cedar Rapids Mayor Tiffany O'Donnell agrees.
As we talk about population growth in our city, we know the most important people we need to be talking to are those that we want to stay here. And not just to stay here, but we want you to stay here and have the opportunity to achieve the American dream, whatever that looks like for you.
This program plans to connect with local industries to get students hands-on experience. Principal Jessica Luna thinks the new program will produce future leaders.
Today is a milestone, but it's just the beginning. This groundbreaking ceremony represents the start of something truly special, a space where our students will continue to grow into the leaders, innovators, and skilled professionals who will shape the future.
In Cedar Rapids, David Warrington, News 7 KWWL.